Hi, this is the REALME C17 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here you'll see your account. Just to log out from this account, you should first log out on Google account on your device. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click on the right upper corner to these two dots and tap to remove, confirm your action. Wait a second. And now we just successfully log out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.